The ongoing chaos surrounding Young Thug's Rico trial persists as a new judge has recused herself from the case. Greetings, everyone. Today we will be addressing the ongoing turmoil surrounding Young Thug's racketeering trial, as yet another judge has withdrawn from the case due to a conflict of interest. This decision was prompted by allegations that the judge's former deputy illicitly provided prohibited items to one of the defendants, raising doubts about impartiality. Thug's attorney has advocated for a just trial following the removal of the previous judge for undisclosed meetings with the prosecution. It is anticipated that a motion for a mistrial will be filed on behalf of Thug's co-defendant, Young Thug. And now, without any further delay, let us proceed with our discussion. The ongoing racketeering trial involving Young Thug and YSL experienced another unexpected twist when the newly assigned judge recused herself from the case, citing a potential conflict of interest. Just 2 days before the recusal order was written, Judge Shakura Ingram, who had been assigned to the case at random, made the decision to remove herself from the proceedings. Within the text, she clarifies that her previous subordinate is indeed the individual who faced allegations more than a year ago for surreptitiously delivering prohibited items to Christian Eppinger, one of the defendants in the YSL case. Consequently, Eppinger's legal proceedings were separated from those of the other defendants. Ingram stated that since the previous deputy assigned to the court could potentially be a witness in future proceedings, the court may need to evaluate the deputy's credibility or make rulings pertaining to her criminal prosecution. The impartiality of the proceedings may be called into question, potentially eroding the public's confidence. As of the time of writing, there has been no announcement regarding the appointment of a new judge. Ingram initially took on the case due to the removal of Judge Ural Glanville, who had been presiding over the trial from the start, which occurred on Monday, July 15th. After meeting with prosecutors and state witness Kenneth Copeland without informing Young Thug and his legal team, Thug's attorney Brian Steele filed a motion to dismiss Glanville from the case. Following Glanville's removal, Steele released a statement asserting Young Thug's innocence and his desire for a speedy trial that upholds constitutional rights, including a fair trial overseen by an unbiased judge and prosecutors who adhere to the law. In his statement, he expressed his disappointment with Judge Glanville and the prosecutors, stating that they have failed to fulfill their obligations under the law. Mr. Williams is appreciative that the appellate court has sided with him and issued the order to remove Judge Glanville from his case. We are eager to move forward with a trial judge who will impartially and dutifully adhere to the law. The legal representatives of Young Thug, a co-defendant and fellow YSL rapper also known as Demonte Kendrick, have made known their intention to file a motion for a mistrial in the tumultuous case. In June, Glanville found himself at the center of controversy when he held a closed-door meeting with Copeland and prosecutors, a move that critics argue should have taken place in a public court setting. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like, share and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.